Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at Baba on the daily and weekly. So we have been all over Baba bullish, added it to the resident bull list once some weekly developments took place, and I'll point that out on the weekly, but the daily looking extremely bullish. So we had the big time breakout, normal healthy consolidation, bulls showed up, and then we had a bearish reversal candlestick on Thursday showing a bit of weakness, but the market strength pre-market on Friday with the bullish data that was released gave that strength to the bulls to see a nice big high volume green day and break to higher highs above that 98.86 high of the original move. So now we have higher lows and higher highs continuing. The bulls are absolutely in full control. We've got a $100 psychological target, and we'll look at some other targets here on the weekly. We're closing in on a bullish MACD cross. Just keep in mind we have seen 7 bullish days in a row, and we are due for some consolidation, and we could pull all the way back down to the 10-day moving average, which will be right at 96 on Monday, and that's still bullish and maintaining higher lows and higher highs. So keep in mind, even a 3% pullback, we're still maintaining key moving average supports and establishing higher lows along the way. So the weekly chart was very interesting, and have been doing videos on Baba for quite some time, and it was all about $80 for me, and we'll look back here and look at why in the history of Baba. $80 has played a very critical level. So we bounced off of it as support back after this dump started from the original IPO, and then it acted as resistance, and then resistance again for what seemed like 3-4 months. So it was a very clear psychological level that the bulls needed to get over, and you can see what happened here is we had our low from a dump at the end of 2015, our bounce, higher low, lower high, very tight range, and then a clear breakout. So the signals we were looking for, number one, was $80 psychological to become support, but the bulls weren't out of the woods there yet, because once $80 became support, which it did here back in May and then again in July, we still had this lower high to break, and the highs there were 85.82, 85.32, so we knew those 85s needed to become support as well, and if we broke that level, we then changed this tightening trend to a higher low and higher high pattern because we break the previous lower high. So this right here, back here, is when we got the clear bull signal. Right here we closed the week 84.59, so we weren't there yet. We knew we were getting close, and then the huge breakout, busting right through those levels and setting new highs. And then we knew to keep looking bullish after that move and after consolidation, because this is a bull flag. After a big time breakout, there's your flagpole, and then your flag is a little bit of normal healthy consolidation, decreasing bearish volume, lower wick showing bulls buying that dip on the way down, and then continuation to the upside, higher highs being hit for the bulls. Perfect textbook bull flag on the weekly time frame for Baba. So looking at the next levels we're looking at for resistance, 100 psychological, and then I'm looking up here at 105.20, 111.20, and then we're looking at the all-time high at 120. So we're still 20% away from that level, but the bulls have everything in their favor here in terms of momentum. The upper Bollinger Band is support on the weekly. We're in breakout mode, so we'll need to look at that upper Bollinger Band on Monday, update that level, and see if the bulls are going to be able to maintain above it and maintain this breakout. So congrats to the Baba Bulls, and we'll see if we get new all-time highs in the next 6 months here. Definitely a target for those bulls, but a lot of work still to do, and if we consolidate, might take some time to just trade sideways for a while and build a new base after all this strength flying through about 15% of resistance. And after getting over that resistance, flying about 15%. So we'll keep checking back in on Baba. As I said, it's on our resident bull list and has been for quite some time now. And bulls in full control. Have a great long weekend.